Hello dear friends with learning Facebook skills. You are most welcome to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell button to receive all new notifications. Can you recover a deleted post from your Facebook account and bring it back again? You can, but the post deletion period shouldn't exceed 30 days from the date of deletion. Let's get practical. Now I am in my profile and go to posts. From here, this is a post I want to delete. I delete it by clicking here and then go down to move to trash. This is a confirmation message. Okay. Now the post was deleted. How to recover the post to be back again? Now I am logging in Facebook account by my username and password. Click here on my ID account. From here, click. Then, click on Activity Log. Go to Trash folder from the left side here. This is trash, means the recycle bin. These are the deleted items and will remain in the trash for 30 days, after which they will be permanently deleted automatically. I see here 29 days left, means that after 29 days it will be deleted automatically, but I can recover it before this period. How to recover it? I can recover it by clicking here. I have three choices: move to archive, restore to profile, or delete permanently. I want to restore it to my profile. Click here. Or you can do this from here. You can highlight this and then you will be three choices here: delete, restore, archive. Restore. Okay, this is a confirmation message. Restore to profile. Items you restore to your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to trash. This means that the post will be restored with the same posting settings for viewers, whether public, friends, or custom. Click Restore. Now go to my profile. By clicking here. You can also recover previous deleted posts, but that depends on the date of deletion, which shouldn't exceed more than 30 days. Okay. Click on the account to see the post again and click the ID. As I see, the post was completely recovered. Thank you and goodbye. See you later.